Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make French onion soup easily. The first crucial step is caramelizing your onions to perfection. You'll want to thinly slice about 5 or 6 large yellow onions. Then, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a heavy-bottomed pot. Cook the onions over medium-low heat for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they achieve a rich, deep golden brown color. This slow process develops incredible sweetness and flavor. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to build the flavorful broth. First, deglaze the pot with 1 cup of dry white wine or dry sherry, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Next, pour in 6 cups of high-quality beef broth and add 1 bay leaf. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to fully combine and deepen, creating a truly satisfying base. Now for the iconic topping, you'll need a good quality baguette. Slice it into 1-inch thick rounds, enough for each serving. Lightly toast these bread slices until they are golden brown and slightly crisp. This prevents them from getting too soggy in the soup. For the cheese, grate about 8 ounces of Gruyere. This semi-hard, salty cheese melts beautifully and provides that classic, gooey crust that everyone loves on French onion soup. Finally, it's time to assemble and bake your masterpiece. Ladle the hot French onion soup into individual oven-safe bowls. Place 2 or 3 toasted baguette slices on top of the soup in each bowl. Then, generously cover the bread with the grated Gruyere cheese. Carefully place the bowls under a preheated broiler for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and beautifully golden brown. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious, easy French onion soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.